Hi, it's Adrian from ISMA Contrary. Have you ever wanted to try our controllers but didn't know how to get started? I'm excited to introduce you to our new demo kit. This set is designed for easy mobility. Thanks to its portable hardened case, you can take it wherever you need, whether it's a client's office or training session. Let's take a look inside. First, we have the MAC36PRO controller with pre-licensed SD card. Next, RAC18-IP and touchpoint panel. You can place the demo kit stably on the table with dedicated stands. It also comes with a power adapter with a set of plugs and Ethernet connection cable. Let's see how it's easy to start. Just plug in the power and it's ready to use. As you can see, demo kit is factory wired, so all devices are starting within a second. With demo kit, you have everything you need in one compact, convenient package. So thanks for watching and see you next time.